This is BP Pokemon here, back with another 4-pack opening. Today, we have 3 Forbidden Lights, and 1 Evolutions. Last time, it was a 4 Evolutions packs, and we got awesome pulls out of them. So we're going to try for some luck with the Forbidden Light. We've had no luck with Forbidden Light, but let's see if we can get some. Alright, we're going to go with this Greninja pack. Alright, let's see if we can get anything good. Here's the code for you guys. 2, 3, 4. Alright, we have a Water Energy, Azelf, Crasher Wake, Uxie, Skiddo, Goomy, Fennekin, Inkay, Pancham, Reverse Rockruff, and a Avalugg regular rare. That's alright. Alright, let's get to the next. We'll go Evolutions. This one. Oh my gosh, I can never keep saying this, but I can never. Taken. Alright. This is code 3. See, we're gonna angle the camera a little bit farther down. There we go. Alright. So we've got Nidorino. See, come on, focus. Energy Retrieval. Venusaur Spirit Link. Diglett. Drowsy. Caterpie. Doduo. Pikachu. Reverse Voltorb. And a Farfetch'd regular rare. So far, we're having nothing good. Hopefully that'll change with this pack. I don't feel very confident, but alright. So we have definitely got something. But doesn't know what that is going to be. Alright. Another Water Energy. Uxie. Mysterious Treasure. Azelf. Inkay. Goomy. Another Goomy. What the heck? Snover. Cubone. Barbaracle. And a full art Dianthia. Oh, that's super nice. This is number, oh, so close to being secret rare. That's alright. Still awesome pull. Full art Dianthia. Diantha, whatever. Let's get a sleeve. The back. Alright. Oh, super cool. Alright. And we have had, here's our first, I think it was like my first pull out of Forbidden Light in a long time. Alright. Let's get into our last pack of today's video. Make sure on this video, subscribe. No, not just this video. 2, 3, 4. Alright. Alright. Steel Energy, Spupa, Zygarde, another Mysterious Treasure, Magnemite, Cubone, Bunnelby, Snover, Scatterbug, a Dewpider, and a Empoleon Hollow. It's pretty nice. Hey, it's better than a regular rare. Another sleeve. Alright, and that was today's video, and these are our pulls. Got this awesome Dianthia full art, just the highlight. Very cool. It's got a nice pattern at the back. Amazing shine. Alright, and then this Empoleon Hollow. This video, make sure you leave a like and comment what you would like to see. And tell us what you got with the codes. We'd love to know. Alright, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.